All right, so this is a continuation of the video I just created, and I forgot one or two actually indicators that I use that probably they are important for you. So one, and I know that the question is going to come because in my videos I do have a different color for these breaks that are forming here in the Renko charts. So what I do here is to use an indicator. I want to go there and see if I find it here. Mm-mm-mm. Probably here. I'm gonna pause the video and find it, and then I'm gonna get back again. Okay, I found it. So let's open the indicators here, and you go into this one, and it's called MAH indicators. So this one is the one that I use. It's called the MAH Trend Grabber. So you can find this one also in the ecosystem in there. So what it does is to give you color code. The color changes when the price is within the area or the zone of the yellow line, which is the 34 EMA. So that's I put here EMA 34, 34, 34, and then I have this color coding here, green for the bar condition 1 candle. And I was playing a little bit around with this, so you can copy the colors here if you want to. Green, royal blue, snow. So all the ones that are in the center in there are snow, and then Indian red and red. So that's basically it in there. So draw arrows. If you wanted to draw arrows when it's going into the zone there, then you can put it there. You can delete it also. Show all. That's fine. You can leave it there. Remove the MA bar band. I do remove it. I don't want the moving average bar over the 34 plotted there. Color zone, okay, color bars. So let's see what happens here. So when I click it, it's going to start calculating, and you see that it's going to, every time that the bar goes into the red or gold zone area, it's going to plot white, and it's going and when it ticks out of that area, it's going to remove the color and keep going with this, in this case this green color right here, right? So that's an easy one to set up, and I do have the falling MA and the rising MA actually transparent. I'm not showing anything in the color zone. It's great, but actually I don't show it because I'm not drawing the I'm not drawing the bands actually. So draw rows. Anything else? I believe that would be it. And sorry, and I do have another one. I believe that this one is the MA bar. Let's see what it's this. Oh, this one is the MA bar right here. So this one is probably a good one to use as well. And I think that I downloaded that one off of the ecosystem too. I don't really use this one, so I'm gonna remove it. Remove it there. But there was Darvas levels that I used to, that I have also in my charts. This one is Darvas. Okay, so if you click here, you have lower and you have upper, and then labels there. So this one is going to identify areas of support and resistance based on the Darvas calculation. So just click here, apply, and you will see after calculates, it's going to plot, you know, support and resistance levels. In this case, this one here is important because you do have, you know, a significant or well-defined area of resistance up here, and then you have one area of support right below in here. So the what the indicator is going to do is to plot this one here, this area here, and in red is going to plot this one down below. So you would see if you're in compression or expansion once it breaks and comes back and then bounce off of that compression area, if it's going to keep moving. There was a little trick here. Probably lots of people got destroyed on this one tick, waiting for the price to go up. It rejected it, ran on stops, and then moved to the other side right here. This one just happened at let's see, 3:09 p.m. on November 21st, 2023. It's a Thanksgiving week, and so we will be celebrating also with the family here. So hope you have a great Thanksgiving, and wish you the best in these holidays for you and your family. Thank you so much for watching, and sorry that I put this one at the end of the or an appendix to the other video. I'm gonna make a reference also to the other video if you have not seen it, probably at the beginning of this one, but also at the end of this last one, or this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.